In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Sezzle virtual card. If you haven't already, download the Sezzle app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Sign up or log into your Sezzle account. Open the Sezzle app and navigate to the Sezzle card section. Follow the prompts to activate your Sezzle virtual card. You may need to verify your identity and link a payment method like a debit or credit card. Depending on the store or service you're purchasing from, you might need to ensure that there are sufficient funds in your linked payment method. Sezzle will split your purchase into 4 equal installments, automatically charging the linked payment method on the due dates. When shopping online, proceed to checkout as usual. Choose credit or debit card as your payment method and enter your Sezzle virtual card details, just like you would with any other credit or debit card. These details can be found in the Sezzle app under the virtual card section. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.